Okay, what I did here is, this is the central machine at Harbor Freight, and I found one of these old Atlas or Craftsman compound rest. I mounted it on here with, let's see how I did it, crossbar that holds it and clamps it in place with a wing nut. And I had to, this was too small, my tool post, so I made an extension plate right here. Now we're ready to see if it works. So what ought to happen is I ought to be able to turn these handles right here, and it should work. So we're going to go in. And if it's working correctly, you should be able to go in. You can see how it's just milling off the edge of the wood. And we can do them both at the same time if we want. Going a little deeper. Now we're going to hit the big chunk. So nice and slow. If we want to, we can back off a little bit. Go in. Some of my cutouts. Back it off. If we want to make a gouge in the wood, just going a little farther. Normally use a tool rest, and I'm using a double-headed chuck right now. So just two clamps on it, so the wood's not that stable all the time. This is working really nice. Just back everything off, shut it down, and you can see that it turned the wood really nice. You can make different shapes with it. That's about it.